Welcome to MD Unlocker. If you're ready to make fast, secure, and hassle-free payments, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to complete your payment, step by step. Simple, safe, and super quick. Whether you're activating a tool, buying credits, or placing an order, our system is designed for instant processing, zero confusion, and 100% transparency. So let's get started. Once you're on your MD Unlocker dashboard, the first thing you need to do is click on Buy Credit. This is also called Add Funds. As soon as you click it, you'll be taken to the Add Funds page. Here you'll see different payment options. Here, select the BEP20/TRC20 payment method. Once you click it, a new window will open. When the window opens, you'll see two options, BEP20 and TRC20. Choose whichever network you prefer. For this demo, we'll select BEP20. Here you'll see our official MD Unlocker wallet address. Click the Copy button to copy the address. Now open the official Binance website and log in to your account. As you can see, we're already logged in here. Next, click on Withdraw. Choose USDT or USDC and select the BEP20 BEP network. Enter any amount you want to add to your MD Unlocker balance. It's fully flexible. Now complete your authentication process on Binance. After a few seconds, your payment will be sent. Once the payment is done, click to open the payment details. Copy the TxID, also called the hash key. Now switch back to our MD Unlocker website. Paste the TxID into the box. The system will automatically verify your transaction, and your balance will be added instantly. And that's it! Your payment is successfully added to your MD Unlocker account. The whole process is fast, secure, and fully automatic. Just follow the steps correctly, and your balance will update instantly. If you face any issue, you can always contact our support team through WhatsApp, Telegram, or our website. Thank you for choosing MD Unlocker, your trusted platform for mobile unlocking services worldwide. See you in the next video.